And you did that. I can't believe it, you know. I can't believe it. This heedless, narcissistic, parasitic man. Here I am telling you that I found a new lease on life. Go figure. The right time for him to contact me, right?
So what you tell him, say?
I tell him I'll think about it.
Vanessa, you know say enough to go back this, right? It's like taking 10 steps backwards.
Tonyan, where I am in my life right now, I will never consider going back there. I will not allow him to disturb my peace. That's for sure.
Yeah, girl. And now you talk. That's the behavior what I want to see. Trust and believe me, you can find a hot boy soon. For yourself.
I think so too. I think one of these days, Tonyan? Who's that? You know him?
Yeah, I was a Chris. He's like a brother to me. Yeah. Give me a moment.
Okay.
What do you do here?
Therefore,
It's in a room. We never hear it ring, you know.
you know, from when I call you, come we could go down to the gym.
You want to go? No.
Yeah, boss says she want to start back training and she have something for you to do.
Tonyan?
Oh, nice there.
Can I get some more wine?
Oh, yeah.
So, are you gonna introduce me to your brother?
Oh, yeah. Chris, Vanessa, Chris. Come inside.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sorry?
Chris, have a seat.
Remember saying I come to stay, man. I got the gym.
Oh, you work out.
Yeah, we do look workout to stay active, yeah?
We're gonna get the wine. Yeah, sorry.
Alright, you look like you're ready for the gym too. You're not sweat.
So, Chris, what do you do?
Oh, well, work with NWC.
Oh, that's nice.
So, what do you do?
Well, I'm a nurse and a social psychologist.
Good. That's nice. A social psychologist part there. Sound like it gets in people's head.
No. I listen to people's issues and I try to help them.
That sound good.
Thank you.
Sis, I can have a word with you.
Oh, yeah, sure. Vanessa, so come.
Vanessa! Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Alright, never have a word with my sister, so.
Okay.
Alright? Yeah. And I think you fixed this already.
She call me when she on her way here.
You have to be careful, you know. Don't get too close to that girl here.
I know whisper, but what should they know? She not come on that often. And she gone back in her work, so and she not want a good space right now. And believe me, she's so fine, man.
Just deal with it.
Yeah.
But I say I have an assignment for you. Check your email.
Yeah. I chew me and I that talk. I never hear my phone go off.
You know that's a big distraction, right? Normally boss would want to answer as quick as possible, like half an hour or so. But it take about an hour.
May I fix it, man? No worry.
Alright. Check your email. And touch back the road. And I'll do some gym work.
Alright.
He is fine. I think I should come here more often.
Yo, want some more wine?
Oh. Bring the bottle.
Yes, ma'am.